Okay, so if you are trying to run GTA 5 Enhanced Edition and you are facing this, let me show you. Okay, so if you're facing this error, failed to load due to an incomplete installation, then I'll show you how to fix it. So what you need to do, quit the game, then open Heroic. Okay, so click here, this setting icon. Go to, let me see, go to Wine CFG here, click here. Let it load. Okay, so now here we need to go to libraries. Then what we need to do here, add socialclub dot dll, social club dot dll. Hit add. One more thing, version dot dll, version dot dll, add, then apply, then OK. Then we need to hit cross. Then let's try running. Let's see if it's fixed or not. It should now. Okay, so it's fixed now, it's working. So that's how you can fix. Okay, I'm gonna close this video.